Hello friends, Tanya here with a product close-up video featuring the little layered ice cream cone stencil. That's a whole lot of words. This is a one-piece 6x6 layering stencil. There are also some masks, one for the cone and one for the ice cream scoop. I'm going to show you how they layer up together here. I am starting with the base of the cone, and then I will use a darker brown for the waffle look for this waffle cone, and then I'm just going to ink that up, check my stenciling, and look at that. It has this beautiful realistic shadowed waffle cone look. Next we're going to use the base layer for the ice cream scoop in pink in this particular case, and you see that I shifted that stencil down just a little bit. When you have a stencil, you often have a little bit of a shadow effect, so you may need to adjust so that your pieces will touch. Next we have the detail or the shadow stencil for the scoop of ice cream, and look at that, you have a gorgeous, delicious ice cream cone. There is a coordinating die set. Both the stencil and the die set will work independently, but they do work together beautifully. You can die cut your cone, you can die cut the entire ice cream cone, you can do all kinds of things with this. Here I'm showing you a few samples that I created using this stencil set, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please take a moment to do that now. Check that description box below for the products that were featured here. And until next time, bye-bye.